Hello, good morning, dear students, and welcome to today's class. So, in the last class, we have seen we have solved a lot of problems. I think I have given some homework also. So, I hope everybody has done that. So, it's good to see if everybody is doing that. So, let's start today's class. So, we are going to continue our discussion. We were discussing about the instantaneous acceleration. So, we have solved that they have given displacement in the problems. Last problem ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ x is equal to 3t square minus 2t ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಗ ಲೈಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಅಟ್ t equal to 1 second 2 second 5 second 10 second ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್, ಅವರು ಹಂಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ one type of problem again they can ask, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು type of problem they can also ask. So that problem is I am going to solve one or two type of problem like that. Type in the one they are problem solve martini. So just see here. So they start the question. A particle moving in a straight line. A particle moving in a straight line. A particle moving in a straight line. Its displacement at any instant is given by its displacement at any instant is given by x is equal to 10t minus 10t plus 15t cube. X is equal to 10t plus 15t cube, where x is in meter and t is in second, where x is in meter and t is in second. X is in meter, t is in second. Find average acceleration in the time interval. Find average acceleration in the time interval. Find average acceleration in the time interval t equal to 0 to t equal to 2 seconds. T equal to 0 to t equal to 2 seconds. So this type of questions also they can ask. This is one type of question. So these questions are also very important. What they will ask? As a particle is moving in a straight line, its displacement at any instant is given by x is equal to 10t plus 15t cube. Okay, where x is in meter and t is in second. Find the average acceleration in the time interval t equal to 0 to t equal to 2 seconds. Sir, let's understand the problem first. So he has given the displacement, the displacement in the equation kotana, and it keratan average acceleration keratan. He is not asking instantaneous acceleration. He is asking average acceleration in the time interval t equal to 0 to t equal to 2 second ಇದ್ದಾಗ average acceleration ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so this is asking. So first of all we should know average acceleration formula. I think you know average acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time taken. Okay, change in velocity divided by time taken. So you should know this formula. What we have to calculate? Average acceleration. So what he has given, x is equal to 10t plus 15t cube, right? X is equal to 10t plus 15t cube. Change in velocity. Okay, so to calculate the average acceleration, what we want to know? We have to know change in velocity and time taken. Time we know t equal to 0 to t equal to 2 seconds. We know the time. So we have to calculate the velocity. ಈಗ velocity, instantaneous velocity calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we have to just differentiate it. dx by dt is equal to, just differentiate it, 10t. So differentiation of 10t, t raised to 1. I have said t raised to 1 differentiation is 1. So therefore 10 into 1 plus 15 into t cube. T raised to 3. 3 into t raised to 3 minus 1, that is nothing but 2. Okay. So finally 10 plus 15, 45. 10 plus 45 t square. Okay. So velocity at any instant of time, that is instantaneous velocity, is given by how much? 10 plus 45 t square. Now they have given at t equal to 0, what is the velocity? Now see, at t equal to 0, t0 substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರಾಗ. 10 plus 45 into 0 square is 0, again 45 into 0 is 0. So therefore velocity at t is equal to 0, velocity will be equal to 10 meter per second. Right. Now substitute t equal to 2. T equal to 2. So v is equal to 10 plus 45 into t square, that is 2 square. 45 into 2 square, that is 4. So that is 10 plus 45 into 2 square is nothing but 4. 45 into 4, 19, 90, 180. So 10 plus 180 is equal to 190 meter per second. So its velocity. So finally at t equal to 2, the velocity is 190 meter per second. Now let's solve here. So ನಮಗೆ t equal to 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ velocity ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ? 10 meter per second ಐತಿ. t equal to 2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ velocity ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ? 190 meter per second. Okay. Now what we want? We want average acceleration. ನಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕು? We want average acceleration. Average acceleration is equal to change in velocity. Change in velocity. Change in velocity. Velocity ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನಮ್ಮದು? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 10 ಇಂದ 190 ಬಂದು. Okay, 190 ಇಂದ 10. So 190 minus 10. How much change in velocity? 190 minus 10 is 180 divided by time taken. Time from 0 to 2. So therefore time taken is 2 seconds. So finally 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 0. So finally average acceleration is 90 meter per second square. I hope you understood this. So let me tell you again. So this kind of problems also they can ask. As a particle is moving in a straight line, its displacement at any instant is given by x is equal to 10t plus 15 t cube, where x is in meter and t is in second. Find the time interval, find the average acceleration in the time interval t equal to 0 to t equal to 2 seconds. Okay. So just see what he is asking. He is asking average acceleration ಕೇಳಕತ್ತಾನ. So average acceleration is equal to formula what we have, change in velocity divided by change in time, change in velocity divided by time taken. Okay. Now change in velocity. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ velocity ಬೇಕು. Okay. At t equal to 0 ಎಷ್ಟು velocity ಐತಿ? At t equal to 2 ಎಷ್ಟು velocity ಐತಿ? ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್. Because we want change in velocity. Change in velocity ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು. So dx by dt, just differentiate it. dx by dt is nothing but the instantaneous velocity. We will get velocity from here. Just differentiate it. Finally you got 10 plus 45 t square. Okay. So v is equal to dx by dt 10 plus 45 t square. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? Just substitute t equal to 0. t equal to 0. At when time is 0, velocity is 10 meter per second. When you put t equal to 2, you will get velocity 190 meter per second. Now what we want? Change in velocity. So change in velocity. Change in velocity. Change in velocity is nothing but v minus u. Okay, so final velocity minus initial velocity. So 190 minus u is 10, so it is 180 meter per second. 180 meter per second square. Now we got change in velocity and time taken. Time ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಾನ 180. Change in velocity is 180 and time ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಾನ 0 to 2. 0 second to 2 seconds. So therefore time taken is 2 seconds. So finally 180 divided by 2 is 90 meter per second square. So therefore average acceleration is given by 90 meter per second square. For you I will be doing one more problem. E type in one more problem ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So just ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Okay, so now x is given by x is equal to 2t cube minus 3t. So x is given by 2t cube minus 3t. Now they are asking to calculate the average acceleration in the time interval t equal to 0 to t equal to 2 seconds. See, first of all write average acceleration. Average acceleration is equal to, what is the formula? Change in velocity. Change in velocity divided by time taken. Average acceleration is nothing but change in velocity divided by time taken. So let's see. So we have to calculate velocity first. Okay, change in velocity bekandre it is nothing but v minus u. Okay, v minus u andre at t equal to 2 the velocity is v and at t equal to 0 velocity is u. So change in velocity, so we know dx by dt is nothing but velocity. Dx by dt is nothing but velocity and x is given by 2t cube minus 3t. Just differentiate it. 2 into t cube differentiation, 3 into t raised to 3 minus 1, that is nothing but 3 into t raised to 2. Minus 3 into differentiation of t is nothing but 1. So finally 2 into 3 is 6t square minus 3. 6t square minus 3. So this is the instantaneous velocity. Now we have to calculate at t equal to 0. t 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು? I am just doing it plus ತಗೊಂಬಿಡ್ರಿ. So take it as plus, so it will be plus. Okay, t at t equal to 0 ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Just substitute 0 in this, t equal to 0, so 6 v is equal to 6 into 0 minus plus 3. So therefore 6 into 0 is 0. So again v is equal to 3 meter per second. Okay, velocity is 3 meter per second. So at t equal to 0 it's nothing but the initial velocity, that is nothing but u. Now at t equal to 2 seconds, so it is final velocity, that is v is equal to, just substitute t equal to 2, 6 into t raised to 2, that is 2 square plus 3. So how much it is? 4. 2 raised to 2 is 4. 4 into 6 is 24 plus 3. It is nothing but, ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 24 plus 3? 27 meter per second. So finally what we got? We got the velocity. How much? At t equal to 0, 3 meter per second. At t equal to 2, 27 meter per second. And we have the formula for average acceleration. Average acceleration is equal to change in velocity. Change in velocity is nothing but v minus u divided by time. Time history 0 to 2 means 2 seconds divided by 2 seconds. So finally v is how much? 27 minus u is 3 divided by 2. 27 minus 3 is 24 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So finally it is 12 meter per second square. Okay, so it is nothing but 12 meter per second square. So finally average acceleration is given by 12 meter per second square. So this is the way to solve the problem. I hope you understood this. So any doubts idre kelabaudu, no problem. So just remember this. So these kind of problems they will ask, and these are very easy problems also. So I will give you again some homework. Then you calculate the average acceleration in the region 0 to 2 seconds. Okay. So this is the homework. Only one problem I will give you. Enough. Same. X is equal to 5t cube minus 3t. 5t square minus 3t. Okay. At t equal to 0 and t equal to 2 seconds. Just calculate this problem. And one more take. Same problem. Question. Write the same question. Just substitute 3 or 4. I don't know. Just substitute. Just take x is equal to 2t raised to 2 plus 5t. Idu plus 5t. Okay. Plus 5t, and you have to calculate the average acceleration in the time interval. Time interval change madatini at t equal to 2 to t equal to 4 second. T equal to 2 second to t equal to 4 second. So just do this problem. Okay. So 2 problems I have given the homework. Just calculate it and comment your answer. Write the same question for this. Either same type question idake bardu solve madri and answer comment madri. Okay. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you very much. Actually I wanted to start one new concept today, but due to less time I cannot do this. So in the next class we will be entering into the accelerated motion, uniformly accelerated and non-uniformly accelerated motion. So we have some kinematics equation, and we will derive those equations. That will be very much interesting. And thank you very much, guys. Thank you for watching, and keep in touch, and just have a good time, have a good luck. Thank you, guys.